Over the next few days, I want to help you get out of your head, stop procrastinating, and start taking action. So let me know in the comments, what do you want more of? More money or more time? If you answer more money, then you need to fix your mindset, because what we need first is more time. I turn 47 8 weeks from now, and Warren Buffett is double my age. He may be the 5th most richest person in the world, but he is 94 years old. If he makes it to 100, then he only has 6 years left to live. If I make it to 100, I've got 53 years, so I've got time on my hands. And so do you. When I started my online business, my focus was to get the work done in less than 2 hours a day, make $3,600 a fortnight to replace my day job income, and to get my time back. So I'd like to ask you a couple of questions, because I want to help you get your time back. And make sure that you answer these questions honestly and truthfully, because I want to help you design your lifestyle marketing business. Question 1, how are you spending your time? What are you focusing on every day? What are the core activities that you are doing? Are they moving the needle forward in your business? Question 2 is, how do you feel about the time that you have? Are you making the most of your time? Or do you feel like you're going round and round in circles, chasing your tail? Question 3, do you feel all over the place? Are you on more than one platform? Are you questioning your own results? No one's commenting, no one's liking, no one's sharing. Are you listening to more than one person? Question 4, do you feel that you're building your ideal lifestyle marketing business? Are you happy with your consistency and your focus? Do you care about the views and how many followers or subscribers are on your channel? Do you worry and have fears and doubts that are holding you back because you're playing too small? Do you care about how well you look on camera before you press post? If you are, you're stuck on the small things. You need to stop worrying about likes, views, shares, and everything else. Start focusing on your ideal customer and help them solve their problems. When you stop focusing on the small things and start focusing on your lifestyle marketing business that you're building and what you're going to do with your time, then you'll start looking forward to the cool things in life. When you start looking forward, all the cool things in life will start happening for you. You'll start creating content that connects and converts your traffic into a following on social media. Your automations in your business will educate your audience on who you are, what you do, who you help, and how you help people. And they will also nurture relationships with your audience. And when you present an offer to the serious people that want to solve their problem, then they are going to reach out and buy from you because they know, like, and trust you. When you show up consistently for your audience so they can get to know, like, and trust you, then you're creating attention, building your brand, your authority, and your influence in the market. So if you have a video that's not getting engagement, then there is a lesson there in your video for you. You can review your video and unpack it from the call to action, the story, and the hook. And when you understand your own content, you can get better and stronger. And when you're being consistent with creating content and communicating with your audience, then you're mastering your craft. So make sure that you write down these 5 questions and answer them. How are you spending your time? How do you feel about the time that you have? Where is your focus? Do you feel confident that you're building a lifestyle marketing business? Do you have worries, doubts, and fears that are holding you back? And are you playing too small? So over the next couple of days, I'd like to help you find the time in your life so you can deliver results, discover how you can take control of your day, and get back time with your family and make money online. When you're ready to quit your 9 to 5, you need to learn and master these skills first before you quit your 9 to 5. And set a goal to replace your weekly salary. When you have a $900 offer on the table, understand how many customers that you need to replace your weekly salary. When you know this number, break it down so you know how many leads you need to generate so you can create that many customers to replace your weekly salary. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm going to help you set yourself up for success so you can design your lifestyle marketing business. So when you're ready to get more time back in your life, smash that subscribe button and come back tomorrow.